Today we're going to be making our very own xylophone. How do you think it works? So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. Wow, guys, that sounds amazing. Oh, you don't have anything to play? Here, today's make can be for you. You'll need some scissors, some straws, a ruler, some colored card, some string or wool, some tape, some pencils, some card, and something to wrap our tubes around, like a glue stick or this loo roll tube. We're going to start by making the longest and shortest of our tubes. First, the longest. I'm going to roll this green piece of paper around our tube and secure the ends with some tape so it stays in place. Now I can remove the tube and put our green one to the side. Now we need to make the shortest one. We're going to measure 3 inches on both sides like this with a ruler and a pencil. Now I'm going to mark out where we need to cut between the lines and snip off any bits we don't need. Take the strip we're left with, wrap it around our tube, put a bit of tape on the end, and take the tube out of the middle. Now that we have our longest and our shortest, we can do all the ones in between. For this one, we're going to mark out 4 inches and cut it down just like we did our red one. We're now going to do 3 more the same way, marking each one with slightly longer measurements. First 5, then 6, and then 7 inches for the last one. Now we just roll them all up as we did the ones before, and we're left with 6 tubes. These are going to be the keys of our xylophone. Next, we need to secure them all together. Take your string or wool, whichever one you're using. You'll want to cut loads of pieces about this long. Now we want to wrap the string around one end, just like this, and then do the same thing for the other one. No, Nigel, don't drink that. Oh, you shouldn't drink anything you don't recognize. Okay, now we can take our tubes and grab a straw to connect them. Oh, this one's a bit too short. So what I'm going to do is take another straw, cut the end like this, and slide it over the end of our other straw, tape them together, and lay them on top. Perfect. Now we can tie our string around the extra long straw that we just made so that all of them stay in place. I think I'll make another one and do the other side as well. Now you should have something like this. Oh, don't forget to cut the string down once it's all tied up. Now we just flip it over, grab some card to use as our base, and tape the straws to the card. Good point, Molly. We'll need to make a drumstick next. Let's test our xylophone with a pencil first. That's sounding good. All right, I think I'll make my stick out of a straw and just put this piece of plasticine on the end. There we go. When you hit the keys, they vibrate and produce sound waves which travel through the air to your ears. The longer the key, the lower the pitch, and the shorter the key, the higher the pitch. This is also how drums work. When you hit the skin of a drum, it vibrates and creates sound waves. Why don't you try it out? Brilliant! Now everyone has an instrument. job, everyone. Another successful experiment. Did you learn something new today?